आया मजा आया।
Flashback.
Contemplating vision and desire for aesthetic perfection. As you know that table dodging is a different skill. It is a way of brain wiring to improve your memorizing skill. So without wasting more time, I am going to call from class 100 Zainab Salik. Please come here and receive your award. Please put your hand together. Respected parent, honorable teacher. It is a day of our students. Sir. Blue class, please put your hand together for Burhan. Arfa Kalsoom, daughter of Malik Amjad Hussain, class 2 red. Muhammad bin Nasser, son of Nasser Awsab. Khadija Khalil from class 3 red, please come here and receive your award. Dear respected parents, it is humble request to all of you. It is the day of our students. Please appreciate them. Shayan Ishtiaq from class 3 blue class, please come here and receive your award. Well done, boys and girls. Umme Hani from class 4 red, please come here if you hear me. Umme Hani. Saptan from class 4 blue. Saptan, if you hear me, please come here and receive your award. that and 5 below. From 5th red, Zaryab Zahra, daughter of Abdul Star, please come here and receive your award. Zaryab Zahra. Hamid Khalil from class 5th below. These are the students or winners of table dodging competition. Table dodging is an art, it is a skill to improve our memory of our students. Honorable teacher and respected parents, please, only and one last time, please put your hand together for the winner of table competition. Thank you for your presence. Very well done. Well done, Mohammed bin Saad. जी अब्दुल्ला साहब. Thank you, Sultan साहब. Thank you, Sir Ehsan. Have your seat, please. Thank you.
First position order is all done. So alhamdulillah, mashallah.
Not only delight the senses, but also pays tribute to the
देखो बच्चों को पोजीशन मिल रही है, अवार्ड मिल रहे हैं, मजा आ रहा है, अच्छा लग रहा है ना.
the delightful song by our KG class students.
The doctor makes us well, the doctor makes us well. I know, do you know, the doctor makes us well. The doctor makes us well, the doctor makes us well. I know, do you know, the doctor makes us well. The teacher helps us learn, the teacher helps us learn. I know, do you know, the teacher helps us learn. The teacher helps us learn, the teacher helps us learn. I know, do you know, the teacher helps us learn. Carpenter crafts are good, carpenter crafts are good. I know, do you know, carpenter crafts soldier guards are